Ants are a ubiquitous presence in our lives, and many of us have likely encountered them or felt apprehensive about their presence. However, certain species of ants offer unique insights into a wide array of subjects, from social behavior to traffic patterns. Through their intricate social structures, remarkable strength, and cooperative behaviors, ants not only capture our imagination but also play essential roles in ecosystems worldwide. Although we are familiar with them, there is still much we have yet to uncover about ants. Today, we invite you to explore the secrets and remarkable abilities of ants as we embark on a fascinating journey into their world. After watching, enjoying, and learning, please remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go on. Ants have been in existence for at least 130 million years, as supported by fossil evidence and molecular studies, indicating their presence during the time of dinosaurs in the Cretaceous period. Since then, they have diversified, becoming one of the most successful groups of insects on Earth. Their ability to adapt to various environments and their complex social structure has contributed to their enduring existence. 2. There are over 12 known species of ants distributed worldwide, with exceptions in a few of the coldest islands, Arctic and Antarctica. Scientists continue to discover new species, and it is estimated that there are over 22,000 species in total. Each species exhibits its own unique behavior, adaptations, and ecological roles within their respective habitats. 3. The Earth's surface is estimated to be home to approximately 8,000 8 quadrillion ants. This means that in the event of a war between ants and humans, each human would have to face 1 million ants. Do you believe we would emerge victorious in such a conflict? 4. Ants communicate with each other using pheromones, which are chemical substances secreted from glands on their bodies. They utilize pheromones to mark trails, signal alarm, attract mates, and coordinate various activities within their colony. Despite not possessing a nose, ants sense pheromones using special receptors located on their antennae. As a result, they are able to travel in straight lines even when dispersed over a large area. In some cases, due to the significant number of ants in the vicinity, a large quantity of pheromones is produced. Ants must then collide or meet head-on, thoroughly smelling each other to ensure they belong to the same colony. 5. Every year for only red fire ants cause $5 billion damage, including medical treatment, control, and pest infestations. 6. Ants can carry up to objects up to 50 times their body weight, and sometimes more, making them incredibly strong for their size. For the Asian weaver ant, for example, can lift 100 times its own mass. This is possible because their bodies are equipped with specialized muscle structures, low centers of gravity, and strong exoskeletons that help to distribute the weight of the body they are carrying. If you had muscles in proportion to ants, you'd be able to heave a Hyundai over your head. 7. The largest ant species is Dinoponera gigantea. Commonly known as the giant Amazon ant or the queen bullet ant, they can reach lengths of up to 4 centimeters, about 1.6 inches in length. On the other hand, the smallest ant species is Monomorium minimum, also known as the little black ant. These tiny ants typically measure around 1 to 1.5 millimeters, about 0.04 to 0.06 inches. They are so small that they can fit on the head of a pin. 8. Ants are farmers. You may be thinking, what? But it's true. Besides humans, ants are the only creatures that will farm other creatures. Just like we raise cows, sheep, pigs, chicken, and fish in order to obtain a food source, ants will do the same with other insects. The most common occurrence of this is with aphids. Ants will protect aphids from natural predators and shelter them in their nests from heavy rain showers in order to gain a constant supply of honeydew. 8. Ants have 2 stomachs. That's right. Ants have 2 stomachs, and it's not because they are greedy. One of their stomachs is for holding food for their own consumption, and the second one is to hold food to be shared with other ants. This process is known as trophallaxis and allows an ant colony to work extremely efficiently. It allows for the ants who forage for food to feed those which stay behind and tend to the duties of the queen and the nest. 9. Ants move an estimated 50 tons of soil per year, making them the world's main turners of soil, according to Harvard sociobiologist Edward O. Wilson. 10. Don't try to drown ants. They can survive underwater for up to 2 weeks because they have extremely tiny breathing tubes which water can't penetrate. 11. The largest ant colony ever discovered is known as the Argentine ant supercolony. It stretches over 3,700 miles, 6,000 kilometers, along the Mediterranean coast of Europe. It's believed to consist of billions of individual ants, all cooperating as one massive superorganisms. 12. Ants have about 250,000 brain cells, which is impressive considering their small size and sometimes termed as world's smartest insect. But for being the world's smartest insect, that's a matter of debate and depends on how you define intelligence. Ants exhibit complex behaviors, such as communication, cooperation, and problem-solving, which certainly contributed to their reputation as highly intelligent insects. However, other insects like bees and certain species of wasps also demonstrate remarkable cognitive abilities. So, while ants are undoubtedly fascinating in their own right, declaring them the smartest insect is subjective and open to interpretation, although is considered so. 13. Ants mate during a nuptial flight and reproduce sexually through a male ant, known as a drone, and their female queen. Male ants usually die after mating, and the fertilized queen finds a good place to build her nest. Additionally, while most ants live for a few months or a few years, the queen lives the longest in most species, often for many years, up to 30 years in some. 14. In contrast to humans, ants do not have ears. Via the specific sensory organs on their bodies, they are able to perceive sounds and vibrations. Their ability to perceive sound is attributed to 2 organs: the subjunal organs, situated beneath the knee, which detect vibrations occurring on the ground, and the Johnstone's organs, located on the antennae, which detect vibrations in the air. While the majority of them have compound eyes, some do not. Therefore, they are able to detect sounds and pheromones. 15. Yes, it's fascinating. Ants hold the record for the fastest movement in the animal kingdom relative to their size. The trapjaw ant, for example, can close its mandibles at speeds of up to 145 miles per hour, 233 kilometers per hour. This rapid movement helps them catch prey and defend themselves. Before leaving, let me tell you some interesting scientific research which is in progress and was learned from ants. In 2014, the International Space Station, ISS, took on some unusual passengers, 8 groups of ants, which were observed trying to perform searches under microgravity conditions. The goal? To learn more about how these tiny creatures search an area collectively and how they adapt to changing conditions, without any centralized control over the effort. The hope, according to researchers behind the study, is that one day such knowledge could be applied in areas such as robotics, where autonomous search and rescue robots might be able to search more thoroughly using better algorithms. Generally, things concerning ants and most of the world's fun and facts can't be accomplished in a single video. What you are supposed to do is just stay with our channel. Scientists claim as much, but I've learned a lot about ants' amazing social structures and teamwork, which allow them to survive in a variety of environments and complete complex tasks. These include communication, division of labor, coordinated foraging, collective construction, defense, and warfare. If we were human, we would have unit like this, and I believe our world would be like a paradise. Thank you. As a new channel, your like, comments, and subscribes means a lot, so hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. I appreciate you more than you think.